Hi, it's Rachel. Welcome to Camping Cuisine with LeisureBit. Today we're going to be making eggy bread in the Ridgemonkey. To make the eggy bread, it's really simple and only needs a couple of ingredients. We need a few eggs, a little bit of milk, some salt, some pepper, some bread and a little bit of oil for the Ridgemonkey. Okay, so let's begin. Take an egg and break it into the dish. Another egg. I love the eggs from LeisureBit, they're beautiful. Just going to whisk that round. And add in a little drop of milk, about a tablespoon, is fine. Add a little pinch of salt. And some pepper to season. And give that a good old whisk. What we're going to do now is transfer the eggy mix into this dish. As you can see, it's quite shallow and wide and should fit a slice of bread neatly inside it. For the bread, I've got thick bread because that tends to soak up the egg mixture better. And just pop it in, move it around. You want the egg really to seep in and work its way into the bread nicely. I've lit the stove and put the Ridgemonkey on, and I'm now going to add a drizzle of oil and just let that heat up. As you can see, the egg mixture has soaked right up into the bread now, and I'm just going to place that into the Ridgemonkey. And seal the lid. We'll just leave that for a few moments and let it cook. I'm going to check to see how that's getting on. Oh yes, that's ready to flip. So close it, the handle's automatically shut with the magnet, and flip it over and cook the other side. Right, we're just going to check to see how we're getting along. Oh wow, let's check the other side. That's perfect. Just going to switch that off and transfer the eggy bread over onto the plate. Going to put a little bit of tomato sauce on. Perfect breakfast for out camping.
Okay, so let's give it a try, see what it tastes like. That'd make a lovely breakfast or snack. Very good. Thank you, Rachel.
I'm going to have a little taste as well now. I love eggy bread. So that was the eggy bread made in the Ridgemonkey. Really quick, simple to do, took no more than 5 minutes to do. If you enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.